Guys, from few days I am tweeting the more tweets on the Twitter, and in this video I will tell you how to proceed on Twitter and how to utilize the platform Twitter for your online business. It may be YouTube channel, it may be blogging business, or it may be e-commerce business. You can leverage the Twitter to the next level to grow your business, to grow your online business using the Twitter platform. Guys, first of all, you have to set up an account on Twitter in case if you don't have. Okay, after that you have to connect with the some relevant persons. Okay, so whenever you created Twitter account based on your location and based on your profile, Twitter will suggest you some members. You have to follow them and you have to find the some accounts relevant to your niche, and then you have to connect with them. So after that, people will tweet on the Twitter, so you have to reply to the tweets. Okay, you are tweeting the tweets on Twitter. For those people, you have to give the reply and you have to like their tweets, and you have to retweet the their tweets and with the some ideas or some thoughts of your own. So just only clicking the retweet button and retweeting directly, it's not work that much. So you have to retweet the with your own thoughts. That's you have to add the some comment to the tweet, and then you have to retweet the tweet. So and also you have to tweet the continuously. So you have to tweet so if you take me, so I am tweeting around 10 to 15 tweets so from few days, and also the engagement is the superb. And here what I'm mainly doing is I am following the some industry experts of digital marketing, YouTube, blogging, and I am following them on the Twitter, and I am replying to their tweets. So whatever tweet they are putting, so I am adding just my idea and just my thoughts to the tweet, and I am replying to those tweets. So I am retweeting some tweets so with some my personal thoughts. Okay, and also I am liking the tweets. So whenever I am giving the reply to so those tweets, so okay, then your reply will be visible to some other persons who are not in your circle also. That's the benefit of the giving the replies to the tweets. So and also when you retweet the tweets or when you like the tweets, so your action will be observed by that particular person, and you will get the some help from those persons also. So sometimes when you do replies, so then they also do the reply to you. So okay, and also here you have to consider like, so whatever niche you are, you have to tweet yourself, and you have to there is a beautiful tool inside the Twitter is the Twitter analytics. You have to observe the Twitter analytics on daily or weekly basis, and you have to analyze which tweets are getting the good traction. And also here I want to give some hacks in the Twitter marketing to get the better engagement. You have to ask the questions. Yes guys, when you ask the questions, people will respond and people will send the replies, and you have to ask the questions relevant to your niche. If you are in YouTube, just ask the questions like which tool you are using the promote YouTube, and so whether TubeBuddy is working for you, so whether Vidic is working for you. So like that you have to ask the different questions. When you ask the questions, the people will reply to those tweets, and they will like the tweets. Sometimes they also retweet the tweets. So whenever people taking the action on your tweets, then you will get the some better exposure to your tweets. And also here another hack for you is the, so include the members. So okay, so whenever tweeting on your Twitter, you have to mention some micro influencers or your whatever people you have in the your circle. And also you have to do the tweets like you have to by tagging the brands in your tweets. So suppose take a YouTube niche and you can tag the brands like TubeBuddy and Vidic, and you can ask like so how the premium version of the TubeBuddy, how the premium version of the Vidic, how is it helping for you. If you tweet like this, so the companies also give you a replies and you will get the better exposure to your account. Here mainly thing is the you will get the so attention to your Twitter account, and some of people who engaged with your tweets may follow you. So okay, in this way you can do the your Twitter marketing game organically. So guys, so you have to tweet the continuously, and you have to include the micro influencers and the macro influencers, and you have to include the brands in your tweets, and you have to ask the questions. That's very important, guys. At least ask one question daily on your Twitter, so you will observe the remarkable results on your Twitter account. So, okay, so whatever hacks I shared in this video, just follow those things in your Twitter account and so do practice those things. It will definitely work for you also. So I will share more insights in upcoming videos, how Twitter I am leveraging to my business. Okay guys, I hope this small video will help you. If you love the video, like up and share it with your friends.